In today's video I am going to tell how you can earn $100 and more than $100 in a day just using Redbubble and some making designs on it. Here are some of the proofs of my getting sales on Redbubble. Here you can see this and this one as well. So let's get started. Hey guys, what's up? This is me Vish. I have been in print on demand business more than a year and I am here making print on demand content just for you guys in order to motivate you and give you guys the right tips and tricks. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment as well. So here we are. So the first question comes in our mind, how Redbubble works. Redbubble is print on demand website in which when you order something, they will print it for you right at the moment and ship it to your address. If you are a seller, you will get your royalty. Redbubble is a fantastic website to work on it as it does not demand anything from you except your effort and time. Redbubble have a lot of design. For example, if I write here cat design, you can see here the best designs which are selling very well. These are the designs which are selling to its most. The design of these designs are getting a lot of money. There are a lot of niches you can see here. Cat, kitten, kitty, pet and all the stuff. You can make designs on this as well. And you can see here all the designs and all these designers are different. And from here you can see the trending designs or the best selling designs, the designs which are going very well on Redbubble. And here you can see all the stuff related to the cats. Oh, this is a cute cat. Redbubble also have a lot of items. Here you can see clothing. In clothing section you can see all the leggings, stickers, stocks, t-shirt, tank tops and all these things are selling. And here you can see stickers, and the best thing on Redbubble is sticker or the sticker packs. Here you can see this is the one, the sticker pack. These are selling really well and these also got me the sale that I showed you in the start of the video. Here you can see the masks, phone cases, wall arts, home and living, kids, baby accessories, stationery, gifts, and here you can explore more designs. And if you go on the explore designs, you can see more artists there, and here you can see the best artists who are designing their best designs just for you guys, and you can design as well. And these are the featured artists, and you can also make fan art just like here is Rick and Morty and all the stuff. And guys, Redbubble is just amazing. You should give it a try. So the next thing comes to your mind, how will you set up your shop? When you get to the Redbubble page, here you can see the sign up, click on it, and if you already have an account you can log it from here, and you can select the artist sign up, and here you will enter your email, something like anything, and here you can enter your password and then sign up. Once you are done with all the stuff of sign up and getting all the requirements that are asking for you guys, after that you can see this type of dashboard. Here you can see all the things. There is a dashboard, activity feed, shop settings, share your work, protect your work, and all these stuff is very essential. And if you want to add your work, you can add from here, add new work. Just click go there and upload your designs, and you will soon start getting more and more sales. Another question that comes to your mind, where to make such designs. I have also a video on it up here, but I can tell you again that you can make the designs very easily from Canva. Just go to the Canva, select the designs and select certain size, and here you are, and start putting best vector related to your niche. You can also do lettering and typography. Here you can see all the good fonts and all the best fonts up here. There are a lot of fonts. So guys, it is super easy to use. It is totally up to you how much creative you are. You can watch my complete video on Canva, how I'm making $100 just using Canva up there, and you can be a Canva specialist as well. Another thing that come to our mind, where to find designs which are selling well. So guys, when you go up there and type anything like any alphabet, like here you can see funny avocado surfing. Here you can see the trend sign. Basically this is the trending design. Make designs on trends as it will get you more and more sales. Here you can see the search results. If the search results are low, this is best for you. You can make designs on it. Moreover, I will show you more. Here you type something like this: my hiking partner has 4 legs. So this means it is a dog. Yes, it is. So guys, here you can see the search results are also low. If search results are lower than 2000, 3000, and you can see this sign, you can make, this means this is a trend and you can make designs on it. Moreover, if you find the more best selling designs, here you can see the best selling, and you can see all the best-selling designs of the artists you can see here, and you can make designs related to them as well. And this is a simple typographic design you can make on Canva. So guys, this is how you can make and find best designs on Redbubble which are selling really well. So the last question comes to our mind: is it profitable? Is the Redbubble is up to the mark? Yes guys, this legit, and Redbubble is not a scam. You can make thousands of dollars, and I'm also made like 22,000 and making more than that. So guys, you can also make designs on Redbubble as well and make a lot of royalty from Redbubble. This is not a fake thing. You can check it, and most of the guys are getting sale. Moreover, in the start of the video, the screenshots that I have shown you of the sales are mine. I made lot of sales just using Canva and making simple design and just copying from them and putting them on the Redbubble. So guys, this is a great opportunity for all of you. You can make sales, and it is also a type of part-time job. I just started using Redbubble when I lost my job, but now I'm making thousands of dollars from it. So yeah guys, you can also make from it. At first it will be just like a part-time job for you, but after soon you put your effort and time more in it, it will convert into your full-time job, and it will give you like hundreds of dollars. So guys, I believe on yourself, and I believe that all the guys who are listening to my video and watching it, you guys can make sales, and the people who are supporting me are very kind, and I'm very thankful to you. So guys, in the end, I would just like to say subscribe my channel and keep supporting me in this way. If you make yourself till this end of the video, go in the comment and type I can do it, so I can see my rare fans or all the people or the rare supporters who are supporting me. If you have any query related to Redbubble, you can hit me up on my Instagram DM. The link is in the description below. So guys, that's it. This is from my side. Have a nice day. Cheers.